Hey, this is Jamie Jackson with Wanderlust Travel. I just got to Secrets Puerto Los Cabos, and I'm being the worst travel advisor ever right now. I just got to my room after a long day, and I'm not really sure the room category, but it's very nice. Sitting area, king size bed. Let's see if we can see the view of the ocean from out there. It's pretty far. It's a really big property, but there's lots of options here if you like restaurants and lots of pools. So I haven't yet to explore it, but I'm interested to check it out. Just wanted to give you a glimpse into my room. Nice large tub in the bathroom, vanity, toilet, second sink area, and then a rain shower, and there's a door that can close if you want to kind of close that off. So stay tuned for more as we are at Secrets for 2 nights, and we'll be exploring some other hotels in the area. So take care.